This video is going to show you how to make cream cheese pie mini trifles. So what we'll need is 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature. We're going to cream it first. We need a container of Cool Whip, a box of instant vanilla pudding, a box of vanilla wafers, a can of crushed pineapple drained. We're draining it now. I'm going to put it in little baby mason jars. So, and you need a 1/4 cup of sugar. So here's what we're going to do first. Make sure that your cream cheese, your 8 ounces of cream cheese, is at room temperature. And I already creamed it a little bit just to get it going. Then we're going to add our 1/4 cup of regular sugar in there. We're going to beat that up till it's nice and smooth. Okay, once that's nice and smooth, we're going to add the vanilla pudding, instant vanilla pudding, in. And we're going to cream that together. Okay, then I'm going to add our pineapple here. And we're going to mix that up. Start on low just to get it going. Okay, we're going to stop and scrape down the sides. Make sure none of the cream cheese is stuck to the bottom. Alright, we've been mixing this for about 3 minutes on high. Last thing you're going to add is a container of Cool Whip. You're just going to fold that in on low so it can get all in there. Put it down on low, and we're just going to fold it right in there with everything else. Just for a minute or two. Put it on medium, just for a little bit, so you can see it making little peaks. Okay, now that that's all creamed together, we're going to put it in our little mason jars after we smash up our vanilla wafers. So I put the vanilla wafers in a Ziploc bag, and you just get a rolling pin, smash them up. They don't have to be real baby small because they're going to get soft when they're in the pudding. Alright, that's good enough. Now that we have our vanilla wafers smashed and our pie filling ready, just going to put a spoonful of our vanilla wafer in the bottom of each jar. Usually a trifle is made out of banana pudding, but a lot of people in my family are allergic to banana, so I thought we'd do it a little different way. So we're using pineapple and vanilla pudding. So then you put a spoonful of the filling in just to cover the wafer. Then you layer it again with wafer. Just a spoonful. Another spoonful of the pudding in each one. And you just keep doing this till they're all full. Layer of wafer, layer of pudding, layer of wafer, layer of pudding. After you're all done making the layers, see how nice they look? You have vanilla wafer, then the cream cheese filling, vanilla wafer, cream cheese, vanilla wafer, cream cheese, all the way up. And those are your mini pineapple cheesecake trifles. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoy the recipe. See you next time.